Smells so fresh. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. My name is Yen from HEPAPAPA, and today we have a special video for you because it's been a while since we have done our last video. How do you like our new setup here today? It's been a while because we have been busy packing your orders, making sure all your orders are packed well and sent to your homes. And of course, we have been busy with servicing your air purifiers as well. So today, we have a very special program for you because we have this very dirty air purifier from Honeywell, and I'm going to take it apart, show you the inside, and clean it up for you today. So the tools that we need and the equipment that we need for cleaning the air purifier is just some water. We have cleaning alcohol inside here. Cloth. This is a microfiber towel, so it's really soft. Some brush to remove the particles that are tough to reach, and I also use alcohol wipes so that we can sanitize the interior of the filter housing. So, not forgetting, we also have the replacement filter from HEPAPAPA for this Honeywell air purifier. Just check out the details of the filter first. So we have a pull tab here for easy removal. This is the HEPA filter. We have the side cushion for a snug fitting filter. And of course the activated carbon that absorbs the odors and harmful gases in the surrounding air. So let's go ahead and open up the air purifier, see what we have here. So today we have this Honeywell Air Purifier. The model of this air purifier can be found behind here, which is here. It is HAC25M1201W. So if you are looking for a replacement filter for this model, you can always get in touch with us. Links to the filter where you can purchase the filter will be in the description box below. So I'll be opening up the air purifier to see the condition. You can see that there are many stains around here, and even some dust around the top of this air vent. Lots of dust around here, and even inside here also. This is the sensor for the air quality. Let's open up and see what's inside. You can see it's really dirty inside here. This is the pre-filter. It's really dirty as well. I did some light cleaning before this, so it's not as dirty as before, but then you can still see some stains around here, some fur. I bought this used, so I don't know what the previous owner has done to it before, but it looks quite bad. And also you can see the condition of the filter. It's time to replace it. So let's start by removing the filter first. So before we replace the filters, right, you can just take a look and compare it for yourself. Take a look at the difference. The dirty filter is black. It's really dirty. And the new filter, right? The new filter is white. So here you can see and tell the difference from here. So we'll start with the exterior of the air purifier. This is always the easiest to clean. Just use a cloth and then rinse it with some water. Wring dry it. And then start by wiping the exterior. For the pre-filter, right, we can wash it in the washroom later. So washing it is usually the easiest way to get rid of all the dirt and grime. Fastest way to do it. So later we'll do that. But right now you can see that just wiping the exterior, going to the air vents, cleaning the air vents. Just simple wiping. It's very simple. At the back, where there's a handle here, there's a lot of dust. So don't forget to wipe this area as well. Open the cap where the sensor is, and then give it a wipe as well. Wipe it. Okay. This area right over here at the bottom is where the cable, you can connect the cable over here. Also don't forget to give it a wipe as well. Under here, the side, there are some air vents. In the front. So usually, like for these stains, we will use our cleaning alcohol and just give it a spray. Then try to remove the stains here. So the same for the back. Okay, so we are almost done for the exterior cleaning of the exterior. So we can now open. Oh yes, one more thing. Remember to unfoil the cable and then give it a wipe as well. Then you can, if you want to, you can just wrap it back into the air purifier like this. Okay, so we will go ahead and open up the interior. And you can see here it's really full of dust. So for this, we will need to heat it with the cleaning alcohol. So, more space, I'll just complete it down. We'll just wipe it with the cloth first. So we have been cleaning a lot of air purifiers recently, and sometimes customers will come to us and ask us why their air purifiers die even when it's new. So the storage of air purifiers is also important, especially if you live in a climate like where we are from. Can be very humid. Just store the air purifier in try to store it in a dry and cool environment, because it's always the humidity that kills the electrical appliances. Without even using them, they can just die off. So we're almost done here. Cleaning the interior cover of the air purifier. These are the simple steps you can do at home. But what you can do is also heat it with some cleaning alcohol. And just give it a wipe. Okay. So you can see now, it's almost like new. Okay, so we'll move on now to the interior of the air purifier. You can see this is the interior of the air purifier where the filter sits. There are some dust over here, and it's a bit dirty around the edges. So we'll go ahead and wipe it with a cloth first, and then we will finish up with cleaning alcohol. Or we can even use the alcohol wipes later. So we'll go ahead to wipe this little, what do you call this? Vents? Is it vents? These little vents? Yeah, maybe. It's very hard to clean like this. Got back pain there. But the work still has to continue. So this is not the natural way of cleaning. Of course, if I'm cleaning, I'll face it like this, right? But now that I'm showing every one of you, I have to do it like this. So go ahead and clean all these fans and all the cutouts from the air purifier. So many of them. It makes cleaning so difficult. One by one, go in and clean. Clean it up, wipe it up. Even the bottom here. Inside here. So this inside here, right, is the fan and the fan motor. So we don't recommend opening anything inside here. Screws, but then we still don't recommend opening it up. Because if you open it up, anything goes wrong, you may void the warranty or even damage it. So not recommended. Not recommended to open. Not recommended to open. Okay, so we can take a piece of alcohol wipe and then just go through the inside of the air purifier with the housing. So many gaps inside here. You can take your time to slowly wipe them down if you want to. It's more or less done. Okay, so we are only left with the pre-filter. So the pre-filter traps the larger airborne particles like hair, fur, your pet fur, all these things. So we can either wash them or we can also wipe them down with the cleaning alcohol wipe. So what I'll do first is maybe I'll wipe it down first. If the stains are too tough, right, then I'll go and wash it. But do not use any brush to brush the pre-filter because it's very fine. So the brush may poke through and it will cause a hole in this pre-filter. So do not use any brush to brush it. Just gently wipe it or wash it with soap, water, with running it through your hands, fingers, not with any brush. So you can see the dirt that was removed just by using the alcohol wipe. We'll just turn it around and do the same. Some dust over here. Okay. So this is a very safe way of cleaning. You do not want to use a brush and then damage the fine filters. So you can see it's almost clean. So dirty. Maybe we'll use another piece. So just go through it again. Turn it up. Let's wipe it down. Still dirty. Still so dirty. Yeah. Okay, more or less it's done. It's very clean now. No more black spots. So clean now. Okay, so now what we can do, right, is let it dry out a while. And then we'll go ahead to install the new filter. So this filter is available from our stores. I understand that this air purifier may not be available in Singapore, but our partners in Malaysia will carry this filter. They will have stock for this filter. If you have any questions or you need the links, they'll be provided in the description box below. Okay, so we'll go ahead to install the filter. Right. So and also install the pre-filter. And finally, we will just install the front cover. So the cleaning of this air purifier is done. And of course, the last step is to turn on the air purifier and then just enjoy the clean air that it brings to you now. It smells so fresh. In closing, if you are looking for air purifier filters or air purifiers, you can always chat with us. We are on Lazada and Shopee. We are always on the chat and available to help you whenever you have any questions. So if you have any doubts or concerns, any questions, you can always write them in the comments below. Remember to like and share, and remember one thing: breathe easy, breathe free.